It's been a while. I haven't talked about Dodge. Righty, so let's talk about Dodge. Inverted and shoulder, your left shoulder there, the head here, you probably have the right shoulder. But the problem is, again, with Dogecoin is that you must come up and break that particular resistance at the moment. If you're not going to break that resistance, then this inverted and shoulder is not good, okay? It's not going to do you any good. So this is going to be your next technical target out of an inverted and shoulder. So the left shoulder, the head here, that was your right shoulder, and you might have been looking to come up to this level, which is going to be 8-1 or 8-6 level, but you're not really doing that. Instead, at the moment, you are actually rolling to the downside, and if things get worse, then you might be looking for a deeper correction. So from bottom here to the top, we might be talking about retracing to the golden ratio, which you actually did previously. You actually did retrace down there, but if you start to lose the golden ratio, then you might make a deeper retracement down to 0.05273 for a big, huge reversal wave. So come down, lose the 0.618 and go to the 1.618. So that's it for this Dodge. Let's talk about the next one, which is going to be